Mm, mm, mm. Wow. Hey there, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Me. And in today's recipe, we have some chicken. And I've done two similar videos to this one. So I've been preparing some chicken curry. For the first recipe, I used some homemade yogurt, and I have a recipe of the homemade yogurt up on my channel. And the second recipe, I used some soy milk or spoiled milk. You do not have to throw it, so you can check out that recipe and get to know how you can go about it. These are leeks. I'm not using onions, and something that I've come to learn is that leeks have so much flavor. So as you can see, seen those other spices like black pepper and the rest, because I'm using this, and I give you the assignment. If at all you're going to try this recipe, you just have to look for the leeks. Don't go for white onions, don't go for the purple or red onions. Just find some leeks, and I'm pretty sure you're going to thank me later. So these are the list of ingredients that I have for today's recipe, and I have some cooking oil, I have some salt, though my chicken is well seasoned and it was baked chicken or kukuchoma. This is some tomatoes. I just found out that it do not have some tomato paste, so I decided to blend my tomatoes because I do not want the disappointment of huge chunks of tomatoes. I have my capsicum, I have my garlic, and these are some carrots that I'm going to use to garnish it, and these are my leeks. And without further ado, let's get started. So as you've seen, it was that easy preparing this delicacy, and I just wish that this was kienyeji chicken. Whoa, in a slab. But anyway, let's begin. Mm. 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 Wow. Mm. And this stew over here, the leeks, they have so much flavor. I challenge you to try out this recipe. This is so good, and we have not added any spices today. We've just used our leeks and some garlic and some hoho, and it's amazing. And that's it for this week's video. I hope you're also going to try out. Also remember to check out all my other 2 chicken curry recipes, and I'm definitely sure you're going to love them. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.